Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by closing Outlook and saving any open drafts. This prevents file locks. Once done, open Control Panel and go to Indexing Options so you can see what Windows indexes. Make sure Mail or Outlook data file locations are selected. If not, click Modify and add them. You do this because indexing must include the PSD/OSD location to surface search results. After adding locations, pause here and prepare to rebuild the index in the next step. Now you rebuild the index. Open Indexing Options, choose Advanced, then click Rebuild. This forces Windows to reprocess every item in the selected locations. It can take minutes or hours depending on mailbox size. While rebuilding, make sure your PC won't sleep and that Outlook remains closed if recommended. Otherwise, the index may stall. Once the rebuild starts, open Outlook and run a few search terms to watch progress. If results appear gradually, the rebuild is working as intended. Finish by confirming recent messages show up in search. Restart Outlook to ensure the rebuilt index is applied. If search still fails, run Programs and Features Microsoft Office Change Quick Repair. This fixes common search integration problems. Once repaired, rerun a search and let indexing finish. If nothing helps, create a new Outlook profile and re-add your account. This forces fresh data files. Troubleshooting tip: if indexing stalls, check Windows Search Service is running and restart it before rebuilding again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.